In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so you can quickly format your text and make important information stand out. Even if you're new to Smartsheet, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, start by opening a sheet in Smartsheet. This can be any sheet you're already working on, like a project plan, a task tracker, or a simple list. Just sign into your Smartsheet account, navigate to your workspace or home screen, and click on the sheet where you want to apply the underline formatting. Give the sheet a moment to load so you can see your grid and all your columns and rows. Once your sheet is open, look towards the top of the screen for the main toolbar. There you'll find an option labeled Format. This is where Smartsheet keeps most of its text and cell styling tools. Click on the Format menu to reveal the formatting options. If your screen is smaller, you may need to maximize your browser window or zoom out slightly to see the full toolbar clearly. Next, decide which text or which cell you want to underline. You can click directly on a single cell to select it, or click and drag to highlight multiple cells if you want to underline several pieces of text at once. If you only want to underline part of the text inside a cell, double-click the cell to enter edit mode, then highlight just the specific words or characters you want to format. Taking a moment to select exactly what you need will help keep your sheet tidy and easy to read. With your text or cells selected, go back to the toolbar and look for the underline icon. This is usually represented by a capital letter U with a line underneath it. Click on this U symbol. As soon as you do, the selected text will become underlined. If you're not seeing the change right away, make sure your selection is still active and that you clicked the underline icon in the format section, not another part of the menu. That's all there is to it. You've opened a sheet, accessed the format options, selected your text, and applied the underline using the U symbol. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to draw attention to headings, deadlines, or any details that need to stand out in your Smartsheet.